It's that super flow. No, she must flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
Hello YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a USB bootable pen drive for setting Windows 10. For this you should need one software. The software name is Win2 Flash. This is the software, and you should also need copy the Windows CD or DVD, or you can download this ISO file from online. I will add the download link in my video description. Here you can download as you need. You can download this software from this site, Win2 Flash free download, and you can download the Windows 10 ISO file from here. You can download two system, 32-bit and 64-bit. If you download 32-bit, the file size will 2.77 GB. If you download 64-bit, the file size will be 3.71 GB. As you need, first of all, we should install the software. I double click to the software. I will press next, 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 and finish. The software is starting. I will press next, accept, next, free license. I'll press next, next. The software has already installed, and now I should format my CD from here, or format your pen drive from here. Format the pen drive, quick format, start. Okay, format has done. I will close the pop-up menu and close all the software. Now I will click this option and press next. I have an CD inside my this. I will select this file and press next. I will select my folder location, desktop, okay, and this is my pen drive, Z Flash Transient 8 GB. I will press next. I do accept the terms and the license agreement and press continue. The files are copying to the pen drive. Okay friends, all the files are copied to the pen drive. Now I can press exit and close the pop-up menu. You can see the total file in your file management, 3.78 GB. Now you should need a setup, sense to your BIOS setup like this image. Go to your BIOS setup setting and select this option, advanced BIOS spacer. After select this option, you should select fast boot device as a flash device, or you can select USB HDD and then you can save these settings. Hope it will work very nice. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel.
It's that Z, no, she my flow.